There are many reasons why you need to buy a phone case for your iPhone 14. The first and most important reason is that the phone case will protect your iPhone from scratches, bumps, and other damages. Your phone is more likely to break if it has no protection. Another reason is that a phone case can make your iPhone look stylish, which gives you a sense of individuality. A lot of people like to customize their phone cases with different colors and designs. So today's video I will show you 5 best iPhone 14 case you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Caseiology. With a sleek and stylish design, the Caseiology Parallax Mag case with built-in magnet protects your iPhone from drops and scratches. The built-in magnetic clip securely attaches to your laptop's USB port without hassle, so you can enjoy hands-free movie watching or gaming. Protection. You can see. You know how sensitive your expensive smartphone can be, so protect it from scratches and other types of damage with a Caseiology Parallax Mag case. This sleek cover is made of the finest materials and features a built-in magnet to keep your phone securely in place. Plus, it's compatible with the Apple MagSafe charger, making it easier to plug in your phone. 3D Hexa Cube design offers enhanced ergonomics as well as built-in textured TPU grip on all edge. Integrated magnets will keep your device secure and aligned and are compatible with MagSafe chargers. Number 4. Casemate. This case is so cool you'll want to show it off everywhere you go. Good thing that inside this case is a tough layer of protection that will defend your iPhone from drops up to 10 feet. The thin and lightweight design makes it easy to grip, while the raised bezel protects the screen against scratches. With twinkle finish and a variety of colors, this case will look beautiful on your device. Casemate Twinkle Case for iPhone 14, slim, lightweight and shock absorption case cover 10 feet drop protection stardust. The perfect accessory to add a little flair to any outfit. Whether you're at work or play, the timeless style of your new Casemate Twinkle case will make you stand out from the crowd and keep your phone safe from everyday wear and tear. Available in various bright colors. Number 3. Rifle. The new Rifle Paper Company slim design case cover for iPhone 14 is made with hard plastic to protect your phone from daily wear and tear. With a slim and sleek design, both sides of this case have a durable gold foil accent so you can show off your style. Rifle Paper Company slim design case cover for iPhone 14 with 10 feet drop protection gold foil accents, made with a hard plastic to protect your phone from daily wear. An exceptionally slim, durable and lovely iPhone case, Rifle Paper Company. Slim design case cover for iPhone 14 is designed with a hidden kickstand for hands-free viewing. This slim design will not add bulk to your phone while providing protection against 10 feet drop. Gold foil accents add an elegant look to this already beautiful case. Number 2. Casemate Clear. It's not just a case, it's a system. Your mobile device needs a consistent, reliable protection. The Casemate Clear Protection Pack is the perfect solution for those who want an all-in-one protection for their phone. This pack includes a transparent case to protect against scratches, tempered glass to provide superior screen protection, and a lens protector to safeguard your camera from scratches. All this at the best price around. It's time to get a case that helps you protect your phone from life's little accidents. With this clear protection pack, you'll have 3 layers of transparent protection and a tough outer layer for 15 feet drop protection. Plus, the built-in wireless charging pad means you can use your phone and charge it at the same time. Number 1. Tough Series. Struggling to find a tough protective case for your iPhone? Let us introduce you to the Tough Series. With a scratch-resistant coating, this case will protect your phone from anything life throws your way. You can't go wrong with a protective case that's made with quality, durability, and security in mind. Keep your iPhone safe and secure with Tough Series. This tough, rugged case is designed to withstand drops, bumps, and bangs. It has a tough clear back that is 2x stronger than the toughest competitors, while also protecting your phone from scratches and other damage. With all of this protection, you'll be able to keep your iPhone looking as good as new for longer. The protective case is made of premium and environmentally friendly materials. The clear back cover can show the original beauty of your phone. Give your phone a comfortable look.